everybody.
Alright. Floor's down! Woo! This is where the shower is. Step down a bit so the threshold doesn't have to be as high. And now we're going to put that wall there to finally divide the garage from the bathroom. We'll leave a little access hole because it's quite handy to get in and out this way rather than traipsing through the house. Do you want to watch us build a wall? Right, let's do that. It might be boring. Now as the bottom plates go down, you can see the walls forming. That is going to be a cupboard in here, access from this side. So from this side it's just all going to be tiled, and then the vanity is going to be in here. And this bottom plate that Pato Bell has just cut forms that wall. And that divides the vanity and entrance from the shower, which is here. Does that make sense? So all the boring part is done, all the framing and post digging, and you saw it all. Now we've done the fun part. You can actually see the bathroom forming now.